Hello Internet, how are you? This is Santosh Kumar. Today our topic is, duplicate URLs on Google search index. You know, if the duplicate URLs are there in Google search index or Google indexing, that the URLs cannot populate in the Google first page. So whatever you're trying to get the content in Google page, it cannot populate it. So today I'm going to show you how. For example, if I open the Google Search Console, from here just go to coverage. Okay, from the coverage you can see all the time you could see the errors should be zero all the time errors. So right now excluded it's a 10. Okay, 10. So we have to identify it here for 10 excluded. In that you can see that duplicate submitted URL not selected as a canonical. Okay, total we have 8 pages. For example, let me explain like this. I have a website template. Most of the people, building the website from the templates. So even I'm also did the same thing. For example, let me show you my website. For example, I click on that my website homepage. So for easy, for fastest, building a website for all the pages are look like the same pages. So same index page I duplicated, and in that I have changed the content for fastest. Uh, update the templates, update the pages and all. So here, if I go to here, even for example, any page, okay, Google Windows Server Administrator, even it is if you go to the source code, see that it's seems like Google is identified like seems like it's a copied from the uh, other page. So that's the reason it's considered as a duplicate page. Here, very simple, how to fix this particular issue. Okay, click on console here. If I click on this one, okay, it will easily explain clearly. Click learn more. Okay, in the learn more it will complete details is given by Google. So first of all, you have to check the canonical page here in this link. You have to go through this entire complete guidelines how to fix this in the advanced SEO. Okay, they clearly mention you have to go through the complete like this how to fix this particular issue. Even you have to go through this particular video as well. Okay, just you can see that here, the multiple devices, multiple dynamic URLs, how it is displayed like a duplicate, right? So even this video as well. So finally I'm going to the fix is, so we have to add this rel is equal to canonical. This link we have to add into the your whatever the Google is identified in duplicate page. In the duplicate page you have to add this link in the below the head. Okay, it's clearly mentioned that you can add this page. Okay, and also it will give you the example as well. Okay, see that. Okay, suppose you wanted to this is the for example this website canonical URL, even though the okay variety of the URL access in this content. So include this URL as a canonical with these steps. Just with this is the link we have to add in the inside the head. So now I'm going to show you. Okay, this is my website. For HTML alteration, for HTML editing and all, we have n number of tools. Even Google also given one good tool, that is this one. Okay, Google Web Designer. So this tool is used for for altering the HTML. Even you can able to design the web designing as well. So I open here. Okay, I will show you two websites for duplication fix. So rest of the things we can, you people are, we can do the same thing for how many. Right now I can, you could see the my scenario, my theory, I have 8 pages. So I will able to show you for two URLs, two web pages. So click on here. Okay, double click on it. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, this is the HTML. This is the meta tag in the head. So you have to update that particular link. So inside the head, from head is starting here, and the end would be, okay, it's here. So maybe you can add here in the from here to here, anywhere you can able to add. Okay, now uh, so I'm going to add here. Okay, let me link that. So for example, where is that, this one, example, just make open a one notepad, just copy this one, open a one notepad, or else it will be better you can copy directly here. No, just copy it. I'm going to my site. So this is the URL I'm going to add here. Here we go. Okay, just save it, click file and save it. Okay, I have done. So you have to make sure that you have to, whatever the duplicate page is identified by Google, the same page URL you have to add it on the same URL. Okay, so right now you can see, right, this is the one of the duplicate page which is identified by Google. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, so this many pages are there. Okay, so this is the one of the page I'm trying to fix it. So I open this page. In this page only I add that link. Okay, okay, here it's done, I saved here. And then I will go for other page as well. Okay, other page, it's still not added. Other page is still not added. I'm going to update the same. That is okay, this page, this page, same thing. I'm again go to here, copy here, paste here, copy the URL, paste the URL. That's it. Just save it. Okay. So the same like this, same like scenario, we have to do rest of. For example, for me, it will show as 8. For you, it may have more. So based on that, we have to do that. Just for, it's right now these pages are in my desktop. It's offline. So I'm going to upload these two files into my FTP, my ISP provider. Okay, I will show you now. So every service provider we have a control panel, control panel for managing every all the entire the website. So I'm logging into that. Okay, so this is my website. So this is the control panel. In the control panel, have to manage everything like mails and DNS and website, FTP and everything. So we have to upload these whatever I have made a changes on URLs. These two URLs I have to upload here. Okay, click on here. Okay, in this click on public HTML. Now you can see here, right? So these files we have to upload. So what we have to do is there is a upload button, upload, click on here. Those are files. Okay, go to that. Okay, you can see search with the date. So today's date. So today's date I'm going to add. These two are I added, right? These two are I am uploading. Okay, I wanted it's asking to replace. Yes, we have to replace because those two files are already existed here in this place. I'm going to replace. Yes. So if you want to see the latest one, okay, see that few seconds ago. That's it, done. So once it's done, just to allow some time for Google. If you want, you can resubmit again. Just copy here, just copy it here. And how to resubmit? I already uploaded the how to add the URL into the Google's search console. If you want, you can see my previous video. But once again, I'm going to show you here. This is that URL inspection. So that this is the URL. So come to the data in index, Google index. It will take 1 or 2 minutes of time. Okay, it's done. So see here, right? URL is still not on Google because of that issues and duplication. Again, once again, I am going to, okay, you can see that, right? Coverage, duplicate, submit URL not selected as a canonical, right? I'm again resubmitting. Okay, please allow a couple of days. Sometimes it will take an hour, sometimes it will take a number of days, depend upon the and it will verify that the issues and everything. Okay. Okay, fantastic. It's okay. It's indexing requested. Okay, click done. Okay, it's given a tick mark.